How to get your Payoneer IBAN number. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can get our Payoneer IBAN number. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to get your Payoneer IBAN account number, first of all, you may just download the Payoneer application on your device, or you may just go to payoneer.com into your mobile or your laptop. After that, just go to payoneer.com and in there, you need to log in into your Payoneer account. After logging in into your Payoneer account, from the menu, select Global Payment Service. And in the Global Payment Service page, you will see a list of currency balances that you have. So you're just going to click on the currency balance for which you want to get the IBAN number for, and in the details that appear, you will see your IBAN number and other bank details. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to obtain your Payoneer IBAN number. And also remember that your IBAN number is a unique identifier for your bank account and is used for international money transfers. So always ensure that you need to keep it secure and confidential. So therefore, just follow that steps and you should be able to obtain your Payoneer IBAN number. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.